I'm David Stephenson, owner of Solar Reflection Services. We do residential, commercial, and auto window tinting and vehicle wraps and graphics. So benefits of window tinting is energy savings is the number one benefit most people are looking for. A reduction on the strain of their HVAC system. Creates break-safe glass, holds the glass together if it gets broken. Creates privacy if you're looking to get some privacy in your home during the daytime. We can do that. We have window tinting that reduces the heat, and you can't even tell it's on the glass. It'll drop the temperature 6 to 8 degrees. Reduces fading of your carpet, drapes, or furnishings in your home to extend the life of them, because it stops all the ultraviolet light, which are the ones that causes damage to your furnishings. Why you choose us over a lot of other people is our detail, our attention to detail, and our commitment to the craftsmanship. We care about what we're putting out there in the world, and we stand behind our stuff 100%. We want happy customers. We don't say we're the best, our customers do.